and rugged devices, mobility devices such as the tablets, smartphones, PDAs, then wireless peripheral devices such as the handsets, scanning and the measuring devices, docking station, and many other peripheral devices. And of course, it is along with the software applications complemented by the specialized service offerings and the support. So the agenda for my today's topic is the brief introduction for the industrial revolution, IoT Industry 4.0 term, mobile computing equipments in the hazardous areas, mobility trends, mobile worker concept, solutions and the use cases, digital services, MDM feature, and the new technology coming soon for the industry 4.0. Okay, so let us have a look at the four generations or the steps in the industrial revolution. The first industrial revolution brought the mechanical innovations, steam power and the factory. The second industrial revolution brought the electricity, which changed the efficiencies and the way of our life. It brought the mass production. You can see that the first conveyor belt has been introduced. It was about the oil power and the electrical communication. Do you all remember the time when the 4 to 20 milliampere was introduced to the process automation? The third industrial revolution brought the computerization, the first programmable logic controller. It was about the information and the communication technology. Okay, so we are now at the fourth industrial revolution. So where everything is digital, it is based on the cyber physical system. So once we add a sensor to the machines, to produce the data about the particular situation and add the software to process that data to pursue and act, we put this all system into the industry 4.0. So let us get introduced to the industry 4.0 in my next slide. Okay, so here let us learn the term Internet of the Things. As we all aware, the IoT term has come from the IT technology, which means that each thing in the plant has its own internet address. It can be accessed via internet. It can also interact with other things via internet. So in my next slide, I will give the brief about the term thing, which is used in the IoT. IoT has the two major concepts, consumer-oriented and the industry-oriented. Consumer-oriented, we all know the applications, we normally find it in the smart home appliances, driverless cars, wearables, the smartphones, tablets, computer. The common example we all know is that we have experienced is with the Google, which is installed in our Android devices, which tracks us, suggests us nearby. Also, it suggests the places that we normally care to visit, like our office or somewhere we go almost regularly. IoT concept, which is industry oriented, is called IIoT, that is Industrial Internet of the Things. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LTE based devices like the tablet and the smartphones are being used to increase the productivity and effectiveness in the plant processes. IIoT term is coming from the US, and the same is called Industry 4.0 in the European countries. Okay, so let us understand what the thing in terms of the IoT. So things can literally be object with intelligence to connect with each other. Of course, by means of the object, I'm talking about the objects that is embedded with the electronics and the software. So thing is providing the attributes, can communicate very big data in it's the entire life cycle from the conception to the decommissioning of the plant. So in short, as you know that you can understand the thing can be the smartphone, can be tablets, can be sensor, machine, or plants, or other plants. It can be anything. Okay, so we'll see what is the admin shell in the industry 4.0. The purpose of the administration shell is to provide the common and well-defined interface for any of the object, which is essential for things to be able to talk to each other or connect to each other. So basically, admin shell is the container where the data is stored. This can be information about the product, or this can be documentation of that product or devices, and this provides the basis for the digitalization. Here, any type of product without communication capability can have the admin shell that would be accessible in the industry 4.0. So to give a precise example is could be a batch of chemical which may have the admin shell. with the information stored, such as the information about the mass of the chemical, the volume, work order, in case the recipes of making that chemical, the current state of the production or the customer. So this admin shell would be similar to the RFID tags, which you all might be aware of, that can host the similar kind of information that admin shell is holding. So this type of RFID tags, which are installed in the plant, can be identified or detected by the mobility devices and collect the information in device directly. So here, the things are no longer known entities or anonymous. All things are accessible via common admin shell and that provide the attributes. So here I have given an examples that you can have an admin shell for the platform, the plant platform. You can have the admin shell for the field instrumentation data or the pump data. Okay, the mobile computing equipments, the mobile computer devices are portable devices, and we often called it as a handheld devices that could be tablets and the smartphones and the PDS. So these all devices with the certification like ATAC Zone 1 and Zone 2 are available for the hazardous areas. Now these days, this has become very popular to use in the hazardous areas, and it provides a lot of other benefits. It can help you to increase the productivity because these mobile devices can be used in the field for the data collection, and which will help the companies to reduce the cost and the time for the customers. Another advantage is the portability, as you are not bound to a particular zone. It can help you to access any information without any place foundation. Then another example that nowadays all the data is stored on the cloud computing. So these devices have the capacity to interact or to access the cloud computing, the information or the data stored on that is vice versa. It can be done easily in the mobile devices. Okay, so here in the mobility market trends, as we compare to the other process devices, mobility devices are easier to integrate into the industry 4.0 or IIoT of the company's architecture or the system, since these mobile devices has all the connectivity and the integration capabilities which are built in. As it connects to the equipment, machineries, people, and bring the final data to the management, which is the basis for the industry 4.0. As we understand, in the hazardous areas, there is a high demand in this industry to use the mobile electronic devices like a smartphone and the tablets. And these mobility devices should be designed specifically for the hazardous areas in accordance with the guidelines, notifications, certifications, that can meet particularly the safety requirements for the protection of the users and the equipments. And easy integration into the digital infrastructure is a must, and the devices should make the process more efficient. As you might have heard about the Android Enterprise recommended devices by the Google, which Google wants to simplify the reach for the right mobile solutions by providing the list of verified devices. These solutions meet the highest standards for the intensive industrial use and have been tested by the Google. So the PepralFuchs first smartphone device, SmartX2, is in accordance with the Android Enterprise recommended, and it meets all the demands required and verified by the Google. So here in the mobility market trends, the IoT can connect the assets, people, products, and services to streamline the flow of information in the plant, enable the real-time decisions, to provide the highest asset performance, improve the process and the product quality, empowering the people, and providing the new opportunities for the industry, especially in the oil and gas, because we find these hazardous area applications in the oil and gas, pharmaceutical, chemical kind of companies. Okay, so this picture shows the process plant architecture as the connection of the systems that can enable the sharing of the data and services. The field devices example are shown in here. Sensors and actuators can be connected through the different technologies like HART or the field device, field bus. On the top layer, you can find that the field data is available over the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth, and also through the HART connectivity in real time in our mobility devices. Okay, so here the products and solutions that should be able to bridge the people and process and the technology. So there is always a need, or we can say a demand, to have the right mobility devices or the technology for doing the various process-oriented tasks like scanning, asset tracking, inspection, maintenance in the hazardous areas. Okay, now we are coming on the mobile worker concept ready for the industry 4.0. You can see a picture here. A mobile worker is equipped with all the necessary gadgets, we can say, or the mobile devices such as the phones, cameras, then tablets, scanners. Possibly it can be combined with one or two devices, and that could do the multiple tasks. Mobile workers can use the single device also to perform and optimize all of their work. With these smart devices like smartphone and tablet, they all have they have all available options in their hands to become the problem solver. Data is available live at any time, and that can be immediately recorded, can be sent, evaluated, and used. If experts in sitting in the control room and control center need to be consulted, they can be contacted immediately by the push to talk feature of the device, or video chat, or the phone call, and accordingly decisions can be made and implemented more quickly. With these kind of devices, it can become easier and faster than ever to record and evaluate the large amounts of data during the operator rounds. It can give the that can prevent the unscheduled shutdowns and help to schedule the predictive kind of maintenance. This can save the valuable time and the cost for the company. Another advantage is the intelligent monitoring process, which is made possible by the smart devices. So here, Ecom Pepperell Fuchs is offering the comprehensive solution portfolio, which we call as a mobile worker concept. It consists of the intrinsically safe and explosion-proof devices with the matching software and customer-oriented support and the service. So even when we talk about the matching software, the high quality business applications are available on our website in the app library. Okay, so mobile worker concept ready for industry 4.0 and give you the benefits like real-time integration of people, processes and systems, enabling the higher operational efficiencies at reduced cost. The use of digital tools such as smartphones and the tablets can improve the safety, productivity and security in the hazardous areas. Companies who deploy these digital tools can benefit from the more efficient workflows, effective maintenance, and streamlining the decision-making processes, as well as resulting into the higher profit margins. Industrial Internet of the Things gathers the pace. Wirelessly connected data loggers, portable gas detectors, and personal health monitors are becoming available in the hazardous areas. So we need a platform here that wirelessly integrate these devices with the digital tools like the smartphone, tablets, which can deliver a step change in the flexibility and the future proofing. So for that, 4G LTE, Android and Windows based smartphones and the tablets for use in Zone 1, Zone 21 hazardous area, which is like opening up the advantages of the Internet of the Things. Okay, so overcoming the challenges with the mobile devices. So there are a lot of challenges that the user face in the hazardous areas can be resolved by using the mobile devices. So few of them are listed here, like for getting the accurate and timely information regarding the position and the condition of the mobile workers, for monitoring the critical equipments and the material, enabling the predictive kind of maintenance, the safe storage and the transport of the sensitive goods in the applications like logistics, warehouse maintenance kind of activities, supply chain management, better visibility and control to prevent the unplanned downtime and the safety incidents. Data updates made in the field are transferred directly into the company systems, allowing the quicker decision making and reduce unplanned downtime. For the user safety, the applications like lone worker protection can warn the control center automatically when the worker has an accident, or can notify and warn the worker of any hazards as they move into an area. So these are the bundle of benefits that one can get when they use the mobile devices, and these kind of challenges can overcome. Okay, so now talking about the solutions with these devices, the very common and useful solution is the data capturing in the hazardous areas. So here, a single tablet or the smartphone could do the data capturing using the camera as a barcode reader and the NFC RFID reading kind of applications. If we need to do the long distance scanning, then there are dedicated devices can be used, which are Bluetooth enabled and can transfer the data instantly to the same devices like the tablet, smartphones via Bluetooth. There are different ways of digitally capturing the data for paperless processes and optimizing the inspection rounds depending on the complexity of the requirements. So simplest way of identifying plant and the machine parts, products, tools, or people by scanning the barcodes or QR code, which are 1D or 2D, along with that the RFID tags transponders. Okay, so as we all know that heart maintenance has always been critical and the important, which requires the dedicated or the expensive heart calibrator or the communicator. Here the tablet or the smartphone with the screen sizes like 8 inch and 5 inch can help to do the same function on top of all the other capabilities of the device, like the phone or the tablet. So here the device will come preloaded with the heart com software, and there will be a Bluetooth wireless interface or modem between the heart modem and the tablet, which can provide the safety and comfort in zone 1 area. Here with this solution, you did not to have any wires or cables involved in this solution. Users can easily configure and communicate with the heart field devices. Okay, so mobile workflows are changing with the use of the mobile solution. So you can take a look with this in this particular figure, wherein you can see how workflows are significantly shortened when using the mobile solutions, especially when compared with the pen and paper method of inspection. The yellow blocks are the paperless methods. You can see that only 4 steps can be involved in one kind of workflow as an example, wherein the same if need to do the same task, then with the pen and paper, the additional 6 to 7 steps shown in the blue can be added. So these mobile devices are redefining the process workflow since it automates the different processes. No more manual tasks, paper-based documentation is required. Seamless integration of data into the company networks and presenting the data to the management in the faster and the efficient way. So the rise of these interconnected devices and the mobile networks are enabling the engineers, operators, and technicians to complete their work quicker and more accurately than even before. Okay, so we are talking about the PTT, that is a push to talk, which are the traditional walkie-talkies used for dedicatedly used for the speaking to a group or a group of the people, or used for the used in the communication systems like Tetra, DMR, and analog PMR radios. This PTT, there is a solution with the tablets and the phones, that PTT with the third-party applications using the Wi-Fi LTE network can be achieved with these mobility devices. The medium for that communication is 802.11 protocol. As I said, that this can be done from the through the third-party applications. Our devices like the Smart X2 or the tablet can run this PTT client software. The server can be installed at the site and at the customer end or on the cloud. The benefit of this PTT app is to explore the more functions of the PTT, like indoor localization, GPS tracking of the people or kind of machines, etc. Okay, so here you can get the some of the reasons that you get the benefits of using the push to talk over cellular. Like it can give you the secure and fast communication at any time in any place. There is no restriction of the plant, the communication in the particular plant. It can reduce the cost and increase productivity because there is no first-hand setup is required as like it is required for the analog or the traditional walkie-talkies. It can provide the more functionality to the user, improve overall safety of the operations. It can enhance the security and enterprise mobility management. Okay, so here you can get the major difference between the traditional solutions carrying the multiple devices versus Ecom Pepperl single device, which achieve almost all the functions in single device. Here in the traditional PMR, user have to carry the multiple devices for doing the different tasks, which can add on to the discomfort and the more weight to carry for them. wherein the solution with the mobile phone device can allow the user to carry a single device for performing the multiple different tasks. As mentioned here, you can use the camera, video, data capturing, PTT, lot kind of applications can be used here. Okay, now we are using taking an example of the use cases. The first is the X inspections. The traditional way of doing X inspections is with the pen and paper manual entries in the system. So nowadays there is a way wherein the user can use the RFID based PDAs or the tablet for the data recording into the server in real time. This will improve the considerable reduction in the man hours required to manually enter the inspection details to the X register, and hence this will increase the productivity and most importantly accuracy, because data will be accurate as it is directly getting added into the device and available on the cloud or in real time. So here mobile camera live streams for the measuring station, how live video stream could help to solve the issues quickly, where the experts get to see what the technicians is seeing at the faulty equipment live in the plant. This would greatly improve the troubleshooting processes and get the process running with the minimum efforts. Besides that, the video data could be also used for the documentation and for the future diagnosis or the training purpose. Okay, so nowadays, smart sensor adjustment, the field devices are coming with the Bluetooth interface. The phones, tablets that come with the Bluetooth could easily get connected to the field instruments via Bluetooth, and the device internal sensors, field device internal sensors can be adjusted or calibrated by using the devices specific app, which is given from the manufacturer. So this is specially required when the field devices are installed in hard to reach areas wherein the operator cannot go and touch the devices. So through Bluetooth, you can do this calibration of the sensors. Okay, so here the other mobile devices such as the Bluetooth beacon can be used in many ways. So as shown in here, it can be used for the applications like sorting out at the logistics facility, localization, indoor and outdoor, asset tracking, automatic guide vehicle, guidance to the users or the visitors. So one such a sorting application is being used in the Lufthansa facility. So that they're using the beacon to track the movement of the baggage and make sure they reach to the correct destinations. So for this, the dedicated hardware setup and the related software application is made at the Neo section, which is the division of P&F in Germany, to achieve these results. Digital products and services is one of the solution provided by Ecom Pepperl and Fuchs, available on the EDS portal. The MDM and it's a mobile device management and the available on the cloud access. So this is requirement on the part of IT management, wherein the MDM solutions on which the mobile devices, irrespective of the operating systems, can be administered and managed efficiently. Here with these kind of services, one can configure and manage the company devices as per the company's IT policy, and you can keep a track record of those devices without any problem. Okay, so the next generation in the glasses, which is like head-mounted smart glasses with the dual camera, available for the connected worker kind of solution. So you can do the hands-free communication and real-time information sharing in the hazardous area. So this product in Zone 1 going to get launched by Ecom Pepperl and Fuchs very shortly. Okay, so these are the mobility devices. You can also log into our website www.ecom-ux.com to get more information about this product range, which are available for the mobility devices in the hazardous areas. So I would like to conclude here with the takeaways and the points from my presentation. The mobility products can complement the existing infrastructure to make them smarter and efficient. Here, you did not to make any additional infrastructure. These are just handy devices you can use to get along with the your existing infrastructure. It can be used for the better predictive maintenance at all levels in the hazardous locations. It can improve the safety and protect the people. It can increase the range time and the plant reliability, which is resulting in increased rate on investment and efficiency and the productivity in the company. It can also be used for the emergency situation management, and all those these advantages will translate into the cost benefits for the company. So I thank you for all of your attention and listening to me. Thank you very much.